This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a verified Phonepe merchant account, completed KYC, and correct bank details. Once done, log into the Phonepe merchant portal and open the developer or integrations section. This is where API access lives. Make sure you have GSTIN and PAN handy because Phonepe validates them before enabling API creation. Then click the Create Application or Request API button to start the API key generation process. Once your application record is created, you complete the app setup by filling app name, redirect URLs, and the webhook endpoint for callbacks. This is critical for secure transaction flows. Next, select Sandbox to test or production for real payments. Use Sandbox first to avoid financial risk. After Phonepe verifies your details, the portal issues client ID and client secret. Make sure you copy and store these securely, because you will exchange them for an API key and access tokens during integration. Finally, validate everything. Run end-to-end tests in Sandbox, confirm webhook delivery and signature verification, then reconcile test transactions. Once stable, request production API keys and rotate secrets as needed. If something goes wrong, check your server time sync, inspect logs for request ID and HTTP status codes, and retry token exchange. These steps usually reveal the issue. If you still cannot resolve it, escalate to Phonepe support, providing the request ID and error payload, so they can trace and fix the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.